cockatoo. This bird originated from Australia. And only here, he will show us the proper ways this goes out. So, we're going to put Oli? Oh, can we? All right. Go on. Okay, maybe our son Kunyor is not in the mood right now. Okay, we will proceed. Okay, so by the way, once again, I will need a volunteer for this time. Okay, just put your hands down. Once again, I will be needing a volunteer. Okay, put your hands down. Put your hands down because we are going to demonstrate. We are going to fly demonstration of one of our birds of prey. There you go. So Zeus here is a Harris hawk. Harris hawk known as a baby hawk or wolf of the sky because if they hunt as a group or a pack and they form as a formation or a pyramid. And the one on the top, they are the one to look out because they can see wider and broader distance. And also, Harris hawk, they will use this scare tactics. They will scream just like that until to locate their prey. And then once the Harris hawk locate their prey, they will swoop down. Just like this, with incredible precision. And also will hunt, just like a rabbit. And birds of prey is a meat eaters. They use their feet instead of beak to catch their prey. And Zeus here is a male Harris hawk. And the birds of prey, female birds of prey is more bigger than the male because they are the one to protect their eggs and their young ones. So, once again, round of applause for Harris hawk named Zeus. Alright, so now, red. Yes, you're correct. The red one is a female and the green one is a male. So, there you go. Good job, Kelly. So, Kelly here is umbrella cockatoo. They call umbrella because of their crest of the top of the head assembled like umbrella. And this bird is commonly found in island of Papua New Guinea, say, and as well as Indonesia. And if the eclectus parrot can differentiate between the male and the female by the color of their feathers. But for Kelly, for umbrella cockatoo, by the color of the eye. If the color of the eye is black, meaning is a male. So meaning Kelly here is a male. Okay, I will go to the other side and I will show you also. So Kelly here is a male umbrella cockatoo because of the color of the eye is black. If the color of the eye of umbrella cockatoo is red, meaning she is a female umbrella cockatoo. And also, umbrella cockatoo, same with the macaws, can live up to 60 to 65 years old. But their mental ability, go. So a round of applause for Kelly, our umbrella cockatoo. Oh, yes? Yes, rainbow lorikeet. You're very right, buddy. Yes, that's what we call is a rainbow lorikeet. And this bird also known as a clown of the bird world, okay? And then I will show you later why this bird is very unique. Okay, I will prepare my plate here again. Okay, I will prepare my plate here again. So maybe, okay, the rainbow lorikeet now is ready. I will call them. So now, let's welcome our rainbow lorikeet. Here comes Cutie and Remo. Wow, great job. So, as I mentioned, or as I said, that because of their tip of their tongue, they has feathers to act like a brush to lap up the nectar from the flower or from the plant. Take a look at the picture. Their feathers of the tip of their tongue. And this bird is outgoing birds and very playful. That's why they call the clown of the bird world. And then from the far, maybe you will notice the same color, but they are different. If you notice the feathers, the color of the feathers of their head, there's a purple and there's a purple and there's a blue, and they have slit color of green and orange. So this is how to differentiate between the male and the female. Okay, so Cutie and Remo, thank you so much. Alright, so round of applause for our rainbow lorikeens.